Samsung is raising the bar yet again. The first look at the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra is here, and it's already turning heads. Let's dive into the details. Just yesterday, we got a sneak peek of the Galaxy S25 Ultra through a leaked image. Now, new images from an accessory maker have surfaced online, showcasing the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra in all their glory. Thanks to Gizmo China, we now have a clear view of one of the color options for the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. These images give us a detailed look at the design while confirming a few previously rumored features. The blue variants of these devices, likely named Icy Blue for the S25 Plus and Titanium Blue for the S25 Ultra, have been revealed. As the names imply, the two shades are distinct yet striking. Both phones are shown encased in Spygen Crystal Flex transparent cases, giving us a pristine view of their elegant design. One of the most noticeable features is the ultra-thin bezels on both models. The edges are slimmer than anything we've seen recently, even compared to Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. This supports earlier claims from trusted leaker Ice Universe, who stated that the Galaxy S25 lineup would feature the slimmest bezels on the market. While the exact measurements are still unknown, the bezels appear visibly narrower than most competing devices. The overall dimensions, however, seem consistent with previous models. Another interesting reveal is the MagSafe-style ring on the back of both phones. Samsung seems to be integrating magnetic wireless charging into its flagship series, though reports suggest this feature will depend on an external accessory instead of being built directly into the phones. This means the Galaxy S25 series may lack built-in magnets for Q2 wireless charging, requiring users to purchase a magnet case to enable the feature. While this case will allow compatibility with MagSafe accessories and Q2 wireless charging, it does add an extra cost for those looking to use these functionalities. Finally, here's the first real look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With stunning design changes and powerful upgrades, it's shaping up to be a game-changer. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is just around the corner, with Samsung unpacked rumored for January 22. While leaks have steadily unveiled its features, the latest gives us a first real-world glimpse at two major design updates: rounded edges and ultra-thin bezels. Tipster Jukin Losrive, crediting renowned leaker Ice Universe, shared an image believed to showcase the right side of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Unlike its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, this model features a more rounded design and some of the slimmest bezels seen on any smartphone. Ice Universe previously hinted that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's bezels would surpass all current mobile phones, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While exact bezel dimensions remain unknown, the image confirms they're exceptionally slim. The overall size of the phone is expected to remain similar to last year's model. Since 2020, sharp edges have defined the Galaxy Ultra series, making the devices iconic. Samsung's decision to opt for rounded edges marks a bold change, likely aimed at improving ergonomics. This new design should make the Galaxy S25 Ultra more comfortable to hold, addressing one of the common criticisms of earlier models. What if your next phone not only charged faster but came with a design upgrade that screams bold and futuristic? Let's dive into the latest leaks that are turning heads before Samsung even says a word. D brand steals the spotlight with Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories. Pre-orders for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories are live, courtesy of D brand, and they're not holding back. With bold design tweaks showcased through their exclusive cases, D brand is setting the stage even before Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch details. From the new Ghost, Grip, and Prism cases to an impressive range of custom skins, D brand is teasing some exciting possibilities. The Grip and Prism cases aren't limited to the Ultra. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus owners can get in on the action too. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's case design is particularly intriguing, featuring cutouts for larger camera rings and a dedicated slot for the LED flashlight. To enhance usability, the side frame includes slightly raised keys for a more natural button feel when using the volume rockers and power keys. But here's where things get even better. D brand's cases enable MagSafe charging functionality thanks to a special design integration. Subtle tweaks like slightly rounded corners give the Galaxy S25 Ultra a fresh edge compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, the Ghost and Prism cases are accompanied by a lineup of sleek back panel skins. Interestingly, early leaks hint at thicker camera rings on the Galaxy S25, resembling the iconic design of the Z Fold 6, while the overall form factor aligns closely with this year's Galaxy S24 series. Is Q2 wireless charging coming to the Galaxy S25? Samsung might be bringing a game changer to the Galaxy S25 series with potential support for the Q2 wireless charging standard, but there's a twist. Q2 introduces the Magnetic Power Profile MPP, a feature designed to align phones perfectly with chargers for faster and more efficient power delivery. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to support 15-watt wireless charging via Q2. However, it's unclear if the device will include magnetic alignment functionality out of the box. Instead, Samsung could offer an optional magnet case to bring this feature to life. If true, this strategic move could boost Samsung's adoption of Q2. With magnetic alignment, charging becomes not only faster, but also more reliable, something users of the Galaxy S25 lineup might soon experience firsthand. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious flagship yet, poised to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology, the S25 Ultra is ready to make waves. Let's dive into the rumored specifications that have been buzzing in the tech world. Design. Samsung is swapping the traditional aluminum frame for a titanium build, enhancing durability and premium feel. Paired with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both front and back, the S25 Ultra also retains its IP68 water and dust resistance. Display. Prepare for an immersive experience with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. With Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a pixel density of 505 ppi, and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, this display is set to deliver unmatched clarity and smoothness. Performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it promises next-level performance with a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon NPU, and an Adreno GPU. Combined with a Snapdragon X80 modem, expect blazing fast connectivity and edge-driven efficiency. Memory and storage options. 12 gigs of RAM / 256 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 512 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 1 TB storage. Cameras. The S25 Ultra is gunning for the title of the Camera King. Main camera, 200 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, OIS, and adaptive pixel technology. Ultra wide, 50 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Telephoto, 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, OIS. 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical quality zoom with adaptive pixel sensor, up to 100x digital zoom. Front camera, 12 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 80-degree field of view. Video recording, 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery and charging. The Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging, ensuring all-day power and quick recharges. Software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra will receive an unprecedented 7 generations of OS and security updates, future-proofing your investment. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, Type-C, dual SIM/eSIM support, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.